Have you ever wondered why saving money is so difficult for you, while others seem to do it effortlessly? Why one person is afraid to invest, while another multiplies their wealth as if it's second nature? It's not about luck or upbringing. Something deeper influences your financial behavior from the very first day of your life. That something is your birth date. Yes, your date of birth can actually reveal how you relate to money, where your weaknesses lie, and what your hidden strengths are. Sounds unusual? Then watch this video until the end. You'll discover the financial code that's been inside you all along and how to use it to transform your life. And at the end, I promise, you'll look at yourself and your finances in a completely new way. Leave a comment below with your archetype and what resonated. If this video gives you even one insight, like it and subscribe. What comes next will go even deeper. We're all born with an inner blueprint. It's shaped by our personality, our habits, and our mindset. But there's one overlooked piece of the puzzle: your birth date. Like a map, it can reveal your natural inclinations, especially when it comes to money. Because money isn't just numbers, it's emotion, it's behavior, it's reaction. And once you understand the patterns, everything changes. Let's not see this as magic, but as a mirror for self-understanding. Because real power begins with awareness. Here's a simple way to calculate your financial code. All you need is your birth date. Let's say you were born on October 17th, 1986. Add all the digits: 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 equals 33. Then reduce it. 3 plus 3 equals 6. That final number is your core financial code, between 1 and 9. Each number reflects an archetype and a specific money behavior. Let's go through them. Code 1, the leader. You like to be first, take risks, and blaze new trails. You're born for entrepreneurship, but may act impulsively, making bold moves without thinking them through. If you're a 1, learn strategic patience. Example, Elon Musk. Courage is in his DNA, but long-term success came from discipline and teamwork. Code 2, the partner. You thrive in collaboration. You earn through connection and support, but often hesitate to take full control. Money flows to you through relationships. Example, Oprah Winfrey. She built an empire by deeply connecting with others. Your gift is empathy, but remember to honor your own boundaries and independence. Code 3, the creator. You're an inspirer, full of ideas, but often lacking structure. Money is a tool for self-expression. You might be an artist, marketer, or visionary. Example, Steve Jobs. He didn't just build products, he created a movement. If you're a 3, build discipline or your money may come and vanish. Code 4, the architect. You're a builder. You love structure, spreadsheets, and long-term plans. You're financially stable, but fear change. That fear might block opportunity. Example, Warren Buffett, a conservative investor who built wealth through consistency. If you're a 4, embrace flexibility. It will strengthen your foundation. Code 5, the explorer. You're adventurous in the best and worst ways. Money comes to you in unexpected ways, through change, travel, and novelty. You crave freedom, and your wallet reflects your wild inner world. Example, Richard Branson. He turned adventure into a brand. If you're a 5, learn to balance movement with stability. Code 6, the mentor. You care deeply about others. You give to family, friends, and those in need, sometimes at your own expense. You build wealth through service and value, but don't lose yourself in the process. Example, Mother Teresa. She wasn't chasing money, yet her mission attracted abundance. If you're a 6, learn to say no, and you'll earn both income and respect. Code 7. The Sage. You live in thought. Wisdom, knowledge, and depth matter more to you than profit. Money is a tool, not a goal. You may walk an unconventional path, often in solitude. Example: Nikola Tesla, a genius who cared little for money, and it limited his impact. If you're a 7, give yourself permission to earn from your wisdom. Code 8. The Strategist. You're powerful and ambitious. You seek control and achievement, and often succeed. But your greatest trap is pride and domination. Example: Donald Trump, strength and charisma, but also risk of collapse. If you're an 8, learn to serve money, not rule it. Code 9. The Philanthropist. You're an idealist. To you, money is a vehicle for change. You dream of healing the world and often work in social, creative, or spiritual spaces. Example: Malala Yousafzai, a young woman whose mission moved millions. If you're a 9, remember, your energy also needs nourishment. Take care of yourself. This code isn't a sentence. It's a mirror. It reveals how you think and feel around money. But you always have a choice: to use this knowledge or ignore it. Once you see the patterns shaping your financial behavior, you can begin writing your own strategy, not blindly, but with awareness. Here's a practical step. Take your birth date. Calculate your code. Read the description. Then for the next 7 days, observe. How do you spend? How do you react to financial situations? What do you feel when you give or receive money? Keep a journal. That's the beginning of your new financial awareness. And if you're ready to go deeper, I've prepared a free PDF guide with insights on each archetype and practical habits to grow your strengths. Download it from the link in the description. It's your roadmap to inner wealth. And remember, understanding yourself is the first step toward freedom. Who are you? How do you act? Why do you treat money the way you do? The answers aren't in your bank, or on the stock market, or in your credit card. They're inside you, in your code, in your date of birth. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll make a follow-up where I'll show you how to use numerology to enhance your financial code and align your life with it. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment with your code. Did the description match your reality? More videos are coming that won't just help you make money, but help you understand your habits, your energy, and your deeper truth. And most of all, help you fall in love with your own potential.